So, Blender 4.2 just dropped, and with a lot of great updates, it now comes with a new EEVEE feature, and it is ray tracing, and that's what I want to talk about today. Because frankly, I've never used or even took EEVEE seriously, but this update, I think it'll change that. But why do I even care? Well, because EEVEE is a real-time rendering engine, and Cycles isn't. But Cycles uses path tracing, so it's better in terms of quality, even though it is not real-time by any means. But what is even the difference between path and ray tracing? They're both rendering techniques used in CGI or games, so computer graphics, to simulate how light interacts with objects. Ray tracing traces the path of rays from the camera to the object in the scene, generally used in real-time applications where speed is crucial, like games. Path tracing, on the other hand, is an extension of ray tracing that traces multiple rays per pixel to simulate the complex light interactions, accounting for global illumination including indirect lighting, color blending, and caustics. Typically used in high-quality rendering, where photorealism is essential, and it's more computationally demanding and time-consuming than basic ray tracing. In simple terms, path tracing provides more realistic and comprehensive lighting effects than ray tracing, but at the cost of longer rendering times. And here's just a couple of renders in Cycles and EEVEE. By the way, this is lit with my lighting add-on called Relite. Check it out with the first link down below. But anyway, take a guess where is EEVEE and where is Cycles, and what do you think the render time difference is? Yeah, 30 minutes and 30 seconds. And yeah, you can see some difference here and there, but it still looks good. And here's some other examples. And here's one more. This is Cycles render, and this is EEVEE render. Oh no, that's my viewport. Yeah, I forgot. It's literally real time, so I can change my camera angle, color of lights, and whatever. Then press F12, then 30 seconds later I have my 4K render ready. What about Cycles? Well, see for yourself. 34 minutes. And yeah, again, it looks better in some spots, like shadows for example, or in EEVEE I have this slight artifacts on there. And it's still EEVEE, so you have to optimize the scene for it and blah blah blah, but 60 times faster. Bottom line, use it to set up your lights and then switch back to Cycles to make your final adjustments and render. And again, EEVEE is more than enough for some simple scenes like this one, or like product showcases. So now I'll definitely use it for like lighting setup and to save time, to not just to wait for my viewport to clear out or for rendering to finish. Great update, what can I say? But my guess is that within like a month, some try-hard genius will figure out a way and make a video with the settings that will make EEVEE look as close to Cycles as possible. So let's just wait a bit and we'll be able to use EEVEE in even more cases than now. But until then, like, subscribe, and bye-bye.